In this tutorial I will show you how to replace text on any surface in Photoshop. Make a copy of layer by pressing Ctrl+J and Command+J in the Mac. Go to Select, Subject, and click on Mask icon. Hide top layer. Pick Text tool and type your text. Right-click on text layer and choose Select Pixels. Ctrl+C or Command+C to copy selection. Now press Ctrl+D or Command+D to deselect. Then delete text layer. Create a new layer. Go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Make a square like this. Drag it to down. Press Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste text. Press Ctrl+T and adjust position and size of the text. Click OK. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Then drag slider to the right. Hold Alt of Option to break the slider. Click OK. Finally, unhide top layer. This is the final result. See you in next tutorial.